Today, April 23rd, the day I am recording this video, is World Book Day. The perfect day to share with you my passion for books and to talk about my book club. The Learn European Portuguese Online Book Club is not a conventional book club. It was thought and developed to support Portuguese authors while helping Portuguese students improve their Portuguese at so many levels. With our book club, you will practice reading, comprehension, learning new vocabulary, and even pronunciation and speaking. We had our first edition in March with the book Rapaz e Robô, and I'm glad to share that people loved it. As I talk, I'll leave some of the reviews rolling under. If you want to know more in detail all about the book club, I suggest you review my video about the launch. I'll leave the link in the description below. Today I wanted to announce in more detail the book for May and also let you know that we will probably resume with a new book after the summer in September. E agora, vamos começar! What makes this book club so special? All books are hand-picked carefully to have the best size and accessible vocabulary, but still challenging for any level learner. To help you read the book, we divide the book in parts, since not all books have chapters. Then, we develop different resources on Padlet, an amazing interactive online tool. There you will have access to a detailed vocabulary and expression list translated to English to help you follow along the book without having to look up the words on the dictionary. You will also have access to audio files of the book divided into parts to practice listening and pronunciation. Each part will have questions for you to practice writing in Portuguese. You can answer directly on the Padlet, and I will give you feedback on your writing. You will be able to record yourself reading the book out loud, and I will give you feedback on that audio, listing what words you need to practice better. The book club is divided in two levels: independent study and guided study. The independent study is for those that want to take their time and read on their own without having the Zoom session to discuss the book, while the guided study has everything that the independent study has, plus the Zoom session, all in Portuguese, with me and Elisa Santos, my YouTuber friend and a book club expert. You can also pick between a group Padlet or an individual Padlet. On the group Padlet, you will be able to see other people's answers and listen to their recordings and my comments. From what I saw last month, I think that the group Padlet works great as a way to keep you motivated, since you can see how far other people are going. Our book for May is A Menina do Mar from the Portuguese author Sofia de Melo Breiner Anderson. It is a small book with about 26 pages that I believe will be accessible even for beginners and intermediate level students. It's a beautiful children's book full of sea vocabulary. In Portugal, children read this book in 5th grade. The Zoom session will be on May 23rd. Independent study is $40 and guided study $65. If you are interested in enrolling, send me a message through my website, Facebook, or Instagram. Reading the right Portuguese books is a great way to learn the language. It can be a bit overwhelming, the idea, but I believe that with the right support and tools, anybody can do it. I hope you can join us. Adeus!